The new drone is from the Shahed-131 family of UAVs that all have a distinctive V-shaped tail. Iran has developed a new attack drone, the Shahed-137, for Russia. The Shahed-137 is an explosive and reconnaissance UAV, with the technology to seek out high-value battlefield targets, such as British and American multiple-launch rocket systems. Iran has reportedly sold a few units to Russia in a deal that is estimated to be worth more than $2 million. Previously, Tehran has been supplying Russia with one-way attack drones, including the Shahed-131 and Shahed-136, referred to as suicide drones, because they fly into targets and explode on impact. The new drone is from the Shahed-101 family of UAVs, which all have a distinctive V-shaped tail. The UAV is 2.5 meters long, with a wingspan of 3 meters, has a range of up to 1,500 kilometers, and can be launched from vehicles. The UAV is fitted with a live streaming transmitter for video, providing it with the capability to identify targets front line for other UAVs or weapon systems to strike, according to the security source. Meanwhile, Iran's warfare technology is rapidly advancing. In addition to its drone development, Iran is reportedly close to providing ballistic missiles to Russia, with even more lethal capabilities than the drones. These missiles would have a range longer than 300 kilometers. Multiple intelligence sources have reported that Russian personnel have traveled to Iran to train on the Shahed-360 ballistic missile system. This information, disclosed by Reuters on August 9, 2024, indicates that Russia may be preparing to integrate the Iranian-made ballistic missiles into its military arsenal. According to military experts, the acquisition of the Shahed-360 ballistic missile system could allow Russia to diversify its missile deployment strategies. By employing the Iranian system for shorter-range targets, Russia could conserve its own ballistic missile stockpile for strikes on more distant objectives, potentially extending its operational. One intelligence source suggested that the training of Russian personnel on the Shahed-360 system is a clear indicator that actual missile deliveries could be imminent. This move underscores the strategic importance of the missile system for Russia. The Shahed-360 is a mobile missile defense system capable of launching ballistic missiles with a maximum range of 120 kilometers (75 miles) and a 150-kilogram warhead. Designed for precision strikes, the Shahed-360 is noted for its ability to hit closer-range targets with high accuracy. This makes it particularly useful for Russia, which already has an extensive array of long-range ballistic missiles. Economic collaboration between Iran and Russia has also intensified as both countries face severe international sanctions. These sanctions have compelled Tehran and Moscow to explore alternative trade mechanisms, particularly through the de-dollarization of their bilateral trade. In 2022, the two nations agreed to conduct trade in their respective national currencies, the ruble and the rial, as a strategy to circumvent the US dollar-dominated global financial system and reduce the impact of Western economic pressures.